Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's cling stamp set throughout the year. We're going to be using, excuse me, we're going to be using Happy Holidays. I saw this card design on Susan Campfield's video, and I wanted to share it, case the card, and show you folks how to do it. We are using 1/2 inch strips, and I just cut it 1/2 by 6 inches. And this is the Take a Bow Designer Series paper pack. It's 164309, and it's got all these papers in here. It's a nice stack. You get 48 sheets of paper. Okay, and these are the designs that we're choosing. Then I have basic white here. This here is 3 by 3 inches square. And then these are 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square. I got 4 of those. And then this is 3/4 inch. This is a scrap, but maybe 4 inches, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. This is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square. This goes behind this one, and then our card base, real red, is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And let me burnish that score line. Got dust all over, guys. And then we're going to be using the embossing folders. This one here is Snowflake, and this one here is Painted Texture. Let's get started. We do not have any stamping besides the greeting, so let's go ahead and get that done. And I'll go ahead and stamp that right in the center. Oh, that's a little high. 2 sides to each sheet of cardstock. So I'm going to bring it down a little. Hopefully I did. And then I have this other one here that I had as a spare just in case I messed up and didn't like it or went off of the cardstock. That one's a little high too, so I'll turn it over. 2 sides, 2 sides. Yeah, I like that. There we go, you guys. Let that off to the side to dry. This here, we're actually going to emboss. So we'll emboss it when we get this one done. And then here we have this one here. You just choose which side. This is a 3 by 3 inch square. Choose which side you want to use. Let's see, I'm just trying to see which one I want to use. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually just put it here like this. I'm just trying to find one that has a lot of color to it. But basically, this is what we're gonna do, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right here. And I'm gonna take these and line them corner to corner. Just like that. Corner to corner. Just hold it in place. To get the first one down, it'll butt up to it. And then let it dry for a little bit. Was my hands in the way there for you guys? Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I'll put a little bit of glue. I'm not going too far out, just so that I catch them. Corner, I'm putting the corner here. And hopefully I'm holding it in place. And find the other corner, I'm putting it right there, where the other corner was. And I'm gonna grab this other one. I'll put it right up to it. The glue oozes out. I like the glue because, yeah, wiggle room time. We should have had our, let me get it. I think I had it out here. I had my silicone craft sheet. See, so it doesn't get on there. On my work surface, it'll go on the silicone craft sheet. And it actually doesn't stick. Nothing sticks to this. Like my fingers are all sticky right now and it's not sticking. Sticking to the desk, but not the silicone craft sheet. And what we do now is just we'll lift this up, leave one down, bring one up, and it's just oh, I missed it. Oh, bring this one up. I always miss that one. Bring this last one up, just so that they're all how do you say it, crisscrossing. So did you see what I did there? Let me try it again. I'll take them out. So I lift these two up. I lift this one up, leave one down, put one down, drop one, drop the last one. Oh, no, sorry, don't drop the last one. Pick up the first one, then drop the last one. Try not to bend them. There we go. And then we just glue them all down, guys. Oh, I think I put too much glue in the center there. And I need some glue over here. They should butt up with each other. If they don't wanna, just push them next to each other. But they should. I got glue all over my fingers. Do you see the crisscross? I put too much glue. That's why it's kind of bending. Right there in the center. Too much glue. Then let me grab my scissors. Grab your scissors when you're ready. And you just come to the back here and you cut them. Follow your white piece of cardstock. Just go right next to the edge. Right on its edge. And you go underneath this way so that you can go ahead and see where you're cutting. If you're at the top, you don't know where you're cutting, right? I can't see. Right next to the white. And there we have it, you guys. How do you like that? So cute, y'all. And then we take these little pieces right here and we're gonna put them by each corner. That's what makes it look like it has pointy ends. So a tiny bit of glue goes a long way, and we'll just square them off there. Pick them up, use your fingers as the border or stopper so it doesn't go beyond or past the edge. Take your time. All 4 edges. See, I'm just pushing it on the sides. Last one. There we go. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to use my snowflake. Oops. Snowflake embossing folder. And then I'm going to put it inside once I get it in. But this here, you can see that it just bunches up. The snowflakes, or the design bunches up at the bottom. And then up there, more snowflakes. I'm going to get it where it's towards the bottom. Lots of snowflakes. Okay. And then this one here, I'm just going to put in this one. Okay guys, here we have it. Okay, you want to wait till your glue dries. My glue wasn't dry on there, so I got some glue in there. Oh no, I gotta go clean that out or it's gonna be stuck in there. Okay, how do you like that, you guys? I want to clean my folder. I do see that I'm off a little over there. It's not much. It's okay. Once it's against, it'll be against the red. I can go ahead and take my snips if I want to here and just line it up and take a piece of, just so you can't see. Let me see, do I have any more? Do you guys see any more? There we go, you guys. Okay, and I think we have everything to put our card together, so let's do that. This goes right on top. And this gets centered right on the red square. we'll pop this up right here. Let me get some dimensionals. Oh, my fingers are still sticky. Oh my. They're very sticky, you guys. And then we'll go ahead and center this 3 sides. Just like that. Then we'll take this and I'm gonna cut a little angle on both sides. Oh, I gotta clean my scissors too. My scissors is a little sticky. This is the high side, right? Let me see. Yeah, I like that side better. Centering it side to side, you guys. Oh well, I think it's good. Just making sure it's not crooked. I know. Let me get some rhinestones, you guys. Where's my rhinestones? I should have had it out. And I always say that, huh? That I should have had it out, and I did not get it out prior to. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna take one big rhinestone and put it in the center right there. Just like that. What do you guys think? You guys like that? I like this card. I believe it's called a quilt card because it looks like it's quilting here. Oh, look, see, I get stuff stuck all to my fingers. But thanks again for joining me. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my website. It's linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon.